Now we are in our chapter, a new chapter, full graphing linear equation in two variables. We're going to separate this into part 1 and part 2. Part 1, 411 to 414, and the next will be, part 2 will be 415 and 416. So this is relatively light week for this chapter. Okay, first example, we want to do the presentation of checkpoint number 1. This is actually in our textbook, page number 225. We're going to plot these 4 points. By the way, the point that represent a point is represented as parentheses, separated by the comma. First number, we call it x coordinate. The second one, we call it y component, y coordinate. Okay, this is quite straightforward. First of all, we have a scratch paper. Okay, this is our x-axis, horizontal line. This is our y-axis, vertical line. In the cross section, intersection, here we call the origin. Origin. Okay. Usually we separate this coordinate rectangular coordinate system, and we separate this into 4 parts. This one we call it the first quadrant. You can see all the value here, x and y value is positive. So by the way, from the origin to the right, this x component positive. Above this line, all the y part, y coordinates will be positive. So this will be both positive for the x and y. And the second one, second quadrant, as you can see, to the left of this origin, so that's x component, x coordinate is negative, y component is positive. The third one right here, both x and y coordinate will be negative. As you can see, all the points here will be negative for both x and y. This is the third one. This is the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, x is positive, y will be negative, as you can see. Okay, now we want to plot these 4 points. So, starting from the origin, the x component first, x coordinate first. Negative go to the left by 2, okay, and then y component, y coordinate is 4. 4 you go up by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. So this point is negative 2, 4. Okay, next one, B point, x is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then negative 2 go down by 2, right here. We label that as 4 and negative 2, this point. This is A, this is B. C. C will be, okay, negative 3 is 0. Negative 3, 1, 2, 3 to the left. 0. 0 don't go anywhere, so that's C point right here. Okay. The last point, 0, negative 3. 0, negative 3 go down by 3. 0 you don't go anywhere. Go not to the left, not to the right. Go this negative 3 go down by 3. So this point is 0, negative 3. By the way, the origin is 0, 0 coordinate. Okay? This is quite straightforward subsection of this chapter, first part of the chapter 1, 4.1. Okay?